Hey guys, it's Kavetta. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Disneyland, Hong Kong. We are having a blast traveling the world, exploring new cultures, discovering new things, and eating all the food. Come and see how we do it. Good morning, you guys. Good morning. We are headed to Disney, Hong Kong. Oh my goodness. It is early. Well, it's not as early as Tokyo, but we're just waiting on the Disney Resort line to get here. Then we're gonna go and see what this Disney is about. So come check it out with us. We are here, you guys. Okay, so I went and got our tickets because it wouldn't let me buy it online. If my car was doing the same thing like Japan. But at least I got here in time. We bought tickets and they're just letting people in. And it opens at 10:30, you guys. So it's not even like super early like the other Disneys. It's 10:30 to 8:30. So you don't have to be here super early, but you know, it's almost 10:30 and they're letting us in. So yay! Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks like the California Adventure. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so pretty. I'm loving look at the line for Mickey already. That is crazy. We haven't even gotten pictures with Mickey anywhere except Walt Disney. Oh, I need a picture with Mickey. Oh, and there's Daisy and Donald. Okay, we're gonna go find rides and stuff, but we want food because we didn't eat this morning and we should have. And now over here is gonna be crazy, but all right, let's go. Alright, so this is what we're getting. We're getting 2 hot dogs. I'm getting a corn, and I'm getting the popcorn. But she's gonna pour it in this because they only refill. No, thank you. She only refills the buckets from here, from Hong Kong, and this is from Tokyo, of course. So I'm just gonna pour it in my bucket. Yeah, this is ridiculous, guys, because this is like 50 bucks for 2. Oh, sorry. Yes, Visa. 2 hot dogs, a corn, and some popcorn. So crazy.
Oh, where do we sit?
First stop is in Adventureland. Okay, so over here is not open yet. It opens at 11 here in Toy Story Land. They open at 11, so only Fantasy and Tomorrowland is open already. So we're gonna head that way. But it's almost time anyway, so we could have just waited. First ride is Winnie the Pooh. It is 5-minute wait. We didn't do it in Tokyo because the line was like an hour or something. So this is amazing. Like, we looked at the map. Let me see the map, Gerald. And everything, I don't know if you can see it. It's like 2 minutes, 5 minutes. 15 minutes is the longest wait we've seen so far. So this is gonna be a breeze. Like, if this stays like this, I'm gonna love it. Because we can ride more than once and everything. This is gonna be amazing. Next, he's saying I'm letting everybody get in front of us. We're going to Toy Story Land, and I stopped to take a picture, and fellas like everybody's gonna go in front of us. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Toy Story Land, you guys! Oh! I'm not going in that though. I'm good. The kids are going in this one, and it looks pretty empty. I don't think there's much of a wait, or maybe behind there. I didn't even see the time to see how long the wait is, but yeah, I'm not going in that. Like, why am I going back and forth in this? That's just ridiculous talk. But I'll go in Slinky. It's just gonna spin me around, make me puke. But yeah, they're gonna do that and then come back and then we'll go do Slinky. Oh my god, should I do that one, you guys? Look at it. Oh, that is crazy. I don't wanna, but I wanna. The last time I did one like this was Legoland in Malaysia. it wasn't this high, and I almost died. So they are in this one, you guys. Like, no, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That's a negative for me, my guy. No. All right, so they're off, and now we're going on Slinky. And yeah, they thought they died and went to heaven in that thing. I'm not going up there. So we're gonna do this one and then maybe do the toys, the other one, but we'll see. Guys, that ride was pretty cool. I hate when you go up and then you are going down, you know, you get that belly feeling. Yeah, and then they had us up there for a second and then you boom. But yeah, it wasn't horrible or anything. So that was the longest ride so far. It was 20 minutes. So now we're going back over to, where are we going? Oh, Tomorrowland. Yeah, because Tomorrowland has a couple things in there we want to see, and then we'll just continue through the lands and see what else we're gonna go on. Mystic Manor. It's only 5 minutes, so yes.
Looking for... Oh, there's the music box I told you about. Thanks, fine, my new friend.
You see?
Oh my goodness, you guys. Yes, this is my favorite ride so far. What about you guys? So far? Yeah, this is really, that was really fun. Mystic Manor. Because, you know, we have the haunted mansion, but the Chinese, they don't do haunted and ghosts and all that. So this is their version. But that was super cool. I loved it. All right, so we're gonna continue on, see what else we can get into. Okay, this one is Big Grizzly Mountain Runaway Mine Cars or something. I don't know what it is, you guys, but I know it's like a roller coaster, and I hate roller coasters because I'm a scared cat. But we're gonna try it out. Oh my god, you guys, I think I peed a little. That was so ridiculous. Oh, that was so much fun. Oh, it was horrible, but it wasn't that horrible. Oh my goodness, but it was so fun. It wasn't like any other roller coaster I've been on. That was something else.
And then lightning, and then we started zooming forward.
Oh my god, you guys.
And then we stop. And then the thing lights up the TNT, and then we go.
Yeah, we were going so fast. I think was this the one that said 45 miles per hour or something? Yeah, that was. Oh, okay, my heart is beating so fast. Let's see where we were going now. Now we are going through Tomorrowland to see what tomorrow holds. Okay.
Starliner Diner.
Ooh, food. See, that's all they think about, food. Food. First up over here is, I don't even know what this one is.
Ant-Man and the
Ant-Man. Okay, 5-minute wait. I came back because Khalil says the Galaxy slush is really good, and then I wanted ice cream, so I'm getting. They have one down there that's a slush with, it's like a float, a slushy float. So I'm getting that. Oh, look, it looks so pretty. Oh my god, thank you. Now we are going on the jungle cruise. Always wait until the evening when it's chilly. That's us.
Okay, so let's start our journey. We are on the longest route.
We are gonna go check out It's a Small World. We did the jungle cruise and it was a little different than the other ones that we've been on, so I like those when you get a little bit of difference and you get a surprise. You're like, oh, that's nice. So now we're gonna go check this out.